Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Respected headmaster, teachers, and my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present a speech on education and why it is important. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very necessary to live a great and better life. For that, it is very important to get a proper education. The word education not only means acquiring knowledge. The first objective of getting good education is to become a good citizen and then to become a successful person in personal and professional life. Good education will always increase our confidence level and it helps us to determine what is right and what is wrong. Thanks.
Now I would like to call